Good evening, everyone. Tonight we're talking to you from one of the special venues in European football, the San Siro, here in the city of Milan. This is Derek Ray in the commentary position, joined by the former Arsenal and England defender Lee Dixon. And we should have a tremendous game of football. It's Inter taking on Manchester United.
Yeah, thanks, Derek. I'm just hoping we get a nice, quick tempo from the start of this game. Both teams do like to get forward, both positive in their approach in the game, so we should be in for some entertainment.
Inter's lineup is as follows. And you tend to know what you're going to get tactically from this team. High pressing.
Well, high pressing, high energy. I played this system at Arsenal many a year under George Graham. It doesn't half work when it works well. Sometimes you can just get exposed to the back, but they've got it down to a T, to be fair.
And here's the lineup for Manchester United. The formidable David De Gea starts in goal. Harry Maguire plays alongside Eric Bailly in central defence. Juan Mata starts with Anthony Martial in the wide positions. And handed a solo role in attack is Marcus Rashford. And they kick off here. Now Brozovic. Barella. Young. Barella has it. Alessandro Bastoni. The attack continues. They're making considerable progress. Now Brozovic. Martinez. Options around him. And Eriksen's in the vicinity here. And clears his lines. Wan-Bissaka. I must say, Lee, I suspect we're not alone in really enjoying watching Christian Eriksen play. What sort of game do you think we'll see from him?
Well, he plays the game as if the ball's his own. He lends it to other players. He's the glue between the team, between the different departments of the team, and he links everything together.
Shaw, alert defending. Let's just clarify the injury situation. Our man on the side of the pitch is Jeff Shreves.
The feeling down here is he's twisted his knee. You can just see him testing it out every now and then. At the moment, though, he's carrying on.
Cheers, Jeff. It's with Stefan de Vrij. Brozovic. Eriksen. Now Brozovic. Kandreva here. Moving the ball effectively. Shaw. Given away by Manchester United. Ashley Young, getting forward. Read it magnificently and intercepted. Martinez. In possession to give them the lead, maybe. The goalkeeper relatively untroubled.
Yeah, he's not going to let that one in, Derek.
Ashley Young. Barella. Eriksen. Brozovic. Barella has it. Moving the ball effectively, looking for the right moment. Eriksen. Barella. Playing with purpose and control. By no means on his own here. Barella has it. Martinez. Simple for the keeper dealing with that long-range effort. Barella. Eriksson. On the ball, Bastoni. Oh, goodness, he was right on top of the situation to get the ball back for his team. It's with McTominay. Bruno Fernandes. Pogba has it. Still level here, but the pressure escalating. Pogba. Bruno Fernandes. And back with Pogba. Martial. Won it back. Now Brozovic. And possession lost, intercepted. Bruno Fernandes. You can usually rely on Samir Handanovic. There was the evidence.
Well, he's got a presence about him. Look how big he looks in the goal.
Corner kick played over. Insufficient accuracy as regards the corner. It's with Milan Skriniar. And the danger cleared. Bruno Fernandes. McTominay. Pogba. Juan Mata. Bruno Fernandes. Martial. Shaw. At times they make passing look easy. Juan Mata. No real threat, you've got to say.
Well, this game is very delicately placed, Derek, isn't it? Just look at those stats. Somebody has to be the hero. Somebody has to take the game by the scruff of the neck and win it.
Alessandro Bastoni. Young. He's protecting it effectively. Barella. On the ball, Bastoni. Barella has it. Now Brozovic. Eriksson. The ball with Martinez. Barella. This attack looks highly promising. Precise ball movement. The referee's letting it go as they keep the ball. Excellent challenge. Lukaku waiting. No-nonsense clearance. Shaw. Given away by Manchester United. Lukaku. Moving forward effectively. Eric Bailly keeps it out. As an attacking player, you rather hope you'll get the decision in your favour, but offside here.
Yeah, the defence got that spot on, and so did the linesman.
That is that for the first half here.
Caffè Nescafè ti porta l'aroma e il calore di paesi lontani. Gran aroma, dal gusto morbido e pieno. Classic, forte e deciso. Le grandi qualità di Caffè Nescafè. È un prodotto Nestlé.
Integrali misura per mettere d'accordo la buona tavola con la buona forma. con tutta l'esperienza a misura nell'alimentazione integrale.
Potevamo stupirvi con effetti speciali e colori ultra vivaci. Ok, basta così. Ma noi siamo scienza, non fantascienza. Del resto il fall color l'abbiamo inventato noi. Noi siamo Telefunken. La nostra filosofia è una qualità costante nel tempo.
Telefunken, qualità costante nel tempo.
The teams have switched around. Manchester United kicking off the second half here. It's with McTominay. Passing it around, looking for the goal that would put them ahead. Went in strongly, decisively. Eriksson, Martinez. It's with Milan Skriniar. Kandreva. Brozovic. Christian Eriksen, a magnetic player to watch. But based on this performance, is he going to get low marks?
Well, it's not been a great first half of football as far as he's concerned. He seemed a little bit sluggish to me, Derek. Easy for the back line to pick him up. Needs more movement.
Ashley Young. Well, great read there to intercept. Wan-Bissaka. Juan Mata. Aaron Wan-Bissaka. Manchester United getting players forward and moving the ball around. A very good tackle. Juan Mata. Manoeuvring his way forward. Wan-Bissaka. Mata. Well, pass after pass, maybe they can chisel an opportunity. Might be able to produce from this position. Young. Brozovic. Ashley Young. Romelu Lukaku now. Half an hour remaining then. Skriniar. Kandreva. And they are on the move again. A really top-notch piece of defending. Now Brozovic. And this is Brozovic. Will it lead to the goal that puts them ahead? Incredible instinctive goalkeeping.
Yeah, he didn't have long to react, did he? But you have to praise his reflexes there.
It's Kandreva's corner. Poor execution with regard to the corner. Now Brozovic. Barella. It's with Stefan de Vrij. Barella has it. Christian Eriksen now. Sanchez. Eriksen. Effective from Eriksen. Alexis Sanchez. Martinez. Sanchez. Brozovic. Just wanted to get it out of there. Eriksen. Barella has it. The ball with Martinez. Lukaku. Looking for that final pass. Looking for the goal that would put them ahead. That's a very impressive piece of defending. The high press was on, and the chance is on. Now, can he deliver accurately? And this is Brozovic. Barella has it. Eriksen. Tremendous block. Martial. Shaw. Marcus Rashford. Anthony Martial. And attempting the through ball. He continues to make hay. And it's played into the centre. A very effective clearance. It's with Milan Skriniar. On the ball, Bastoni. Alessandro Bastoni. Barella. Now Brozovic. The ball with Martinez. Just 10 minutes to go. Candreva. Moving forward effectively. Crossing opportunity. Candreva here. That's the kind of shielding play you expect from him. Lukaku! A goal it is at long last. They've broken the deadlock.
Well, it's been so close this game. Tactics have played a part. Now they're going to have to change the tactics and see what happens. Well, Derek, it's all about the cross. It's perfectly weighted and he attacks the ball. That's the key to that goal.
Underway once again with Inter in front. We might very well have late excitement here. 5 minutes to go and just one goal between them. Aaron Wan-Bissaka. Pogba. Foiling them effectively. Candreva. Brozovic. Barella has it.
Well, just listen to these Inter fans. The crowd are very much behind them. It's been a really tough game, but not long now to see this one out.
Here is Alexis Sanchez. Can be dangerous from this sort of advanced position. Well, just couldn't quite keep himself onside. The flag has gone up. And the referee's whistle, that is the end of the story.